What's poppin' YouTube? This is of course your boy Harvey, aka Hockey Customs, coming at you with another vid. And you already know by the thumbnail and the title, we got another custom for you. So, my guy hit me up saying he wanted a Christmas gift for his girl, and he sent me a picture of what he kind of wanted. So I just did my own version of that, and yeah, this is how they turned out. I'm gonna show y'all the whole process: the beginning, middle, end, the prepping, the painting, the designing, the drawing, the mother fluffing, finisher. I'm showing y'all the whole process. So if you'll please drop a like, comment anything that y'all want to see from me, like what type of customs you want to see. Yeah, anything, any questions, comments, concerns, got you. Subscribe, please. We're almost at 200. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but for me, that's a lot. I appreciate it. Appreciate every single one of my subscribers. So yeah, we're gonna try to hit a like goal of 10 likes, bro. 10 likes, and yeah, I'm gonna keep dropping more content. Well, I'm gonna keep dropping regardless, but if I reach the 10 like goal, I'll try to drop a video sooner than I'm already scheduled to drop a video. So I sound like I'm part of a label. They got control over my artwork or something. I don't know, but y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna drop it sooner than when I'm thinking I'm gonna drop it, in my head. So yeah, so 10 likes. I know we can do it. I believe in y'all. And before I forget, you're looking to get a custom done by me. I also do custom apparel too. So I can do anything from putting your favorite football team's logo on a pair of sneakers to putting Rihanna's face on your underwear. As long as they're clean, I got you. So all you gotta do is DM me on IG. The link is right there in the description. And we can talk about pricing, when it's gonna be done. We can talk about anything and everything in the DMs. Don't send me nothing crazy, but that's where you should hit me up at. And I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer. Let's get into it. Now grab all your prepping material, your acetone, cotton balls, or cotton rounds, and your tape. Alright, so for this custom, I didn't need the tape. I just needed to get my acetone and rub off that factory finish so the paint could adhere to the surface better. Alright, now you can start drawing and designing exactly what you're going to be painting onto the shoes.
Monkey.
Alright, as you can see, I already started the painting process. So yeah, you can start painting and drawing everything you want on the shoe. forget to do a couple of layers of painting for each color. And you can see I use Cricut to make my stencils. Used the cutting machine to cut it out, and then I just started painting it.
Get that bag, get through.
Alright, so for the final step, now that you're done all of your painting and designing, make sure you grab your matte acrylic finish and spray it on there, paint it on there, do whatever you gotta do so it can protect the paint and keep it from scratching, cracking, and all types of stuff. Alright, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like. And remember, we're trying to hit the like goal at 10 likes. So don't forget to subscribe, comment anything that you want to see me do. Yeah, any type of custom that you want to see done. You want to see some apparel work, it's coming soon anyway. But if you got something specific, put it down there right in the comments. I will respond, whatever. And if you're looking to get any custom work done by me, all you gotta do is DM me on IG. Link is right there in the description. And I'll catch you in the next one.